Welcome. Thank you for joining us on another product spotlight. Today we are featuring 3 amazing products that are all very useful and affordable. What's more, each item is on sale and discounted heavily, so stay tuned. Introducing the T62 2023 Ultralight and Ultra-Compact Earbuds, a game-changing addition to your audio experience. Weighing a mere 3.3 grams per earbud, these feather-light companions redefine comfort, offering a wear experience with zero burden. The package includes 3 pairs of softer ear tips in different sizes, catering to various ear types and ensuring painless extended wear. The Bluetooth headphones charging case is a marvel of compactness, taking up only half the space of conventional earbud cases, easily slipping into your pocket for on-the-go convenience. Unleash your potential with the T62's IPX7 waterproof and LED display features. Embrace your active lifestyle as these earbuds boast IPX7 water resistance, safeguarding against sweat and rain, and significantly prolonging their lifespan. The charging case is equipped with an intuitive LED display, granting you real-time insights into its battery status. Charging your earbuds is as simple as placing them in the case, which kickstarts the process automatically. Immerse yourself in unparalleled audio quality with the T62's bass acoustic and touch control features. Equipped with a cutting-edge dynamic driver, these earbuds deliver crystal-clear sound, with a particular focus on bass and treble nuances. The bass acoustic design guarantees powerful, clear bass notes and dynamic, delicate trebles. Intelligent touch controls empower you to effortlessly adjust volume, switch tracks, activate voice assistants, manage calls, and receive low battery alerts. Stay connected seamlessly with Bluetooth 5.3 and one-step pairing technology. Benefit from fast and stable connections for uninterrupted audio across various scenarios, from work to workouts. The one-step pairing process is hassle-free. Simply remove the earbuds from the charging case, locate T62 on your phone's Bluetooth menu, and witness instant synchronization. Maximize your entertainment with extended playback time and a stylish, transparent case design. The earbuds offer up to 5 hours of continuous usage, with the 300 mAh charging case providing an extra 3.5 full charges. An impressive total of up to 35 hours of playback. The transparent case design not only exudes style but also eliminates the need to open the case to check battery levels. Experience audio excellence, ergonomic design, and ultimate convenience with the T62 2023 Ultralight and Ultra-Compact Earbuds. Elevate your auditory journey today. Now, onto our second featured product. Introducing the Kubaya Perfect Size and Lightweight Lunch Bag, the ultimate companion for your meals on the go. Measuring 10.8 by 6.3 by 8.85 inches and weighing just 1/2 pound, this lunch bag strikes the perfect balance between capacity and convenience. With a spacious 10-liter interior, it easily accommodates your lunchbox, snacks, and drinks, equivalent to around 16 cans of 330 milliliter beverages. Compact enough to slide into your fridge or storage cabinet, it's designed for effortless portability and storage, a true customer favorite. Versatility defines this multifunctional lunch bag. Featuring a front-zipped pocket, it smartly holds cutlery, snacks, keys, cards, and more. A side mesh pocket offers hands-free storage for drinks, bottles, even an umbrella. Whether it's a lunch cooler bag, shopping companion, picnic essential, or makeup organizer, this bag adapts to your needs. It caters to adults, teachers, nurses, and anyone seeking a stylish and practical accessory. At Kubaya, they're committed to quality. Their insulated lunch bags epitomize durability and value. An ideal gift choice for both men and women. These bags enhance your comfort and convenience. They stand by their products, offering a 12-month refund or replacement policy. Your satisfaction is their priority. Elevate your daily experiences with the Coobia perfect size and lightweight lunch bag. Discover a new level of ease, style, and functionality in your on-the-go meals and activities. Go and get yourself one today. Here is our final product spotlight. Introducing this remarkable portable Bluetooth speaker designed to elevate your audio experience to new heights. Immerse yourself in a world of sound with its exceptional loud, clear sound and deep bass capabilities. Equipped with an advanced digital signal processor, this speaker delivers a symphony of crisp trebles, rich mids, and meticulously enhanced bass, maintaining its audio integrity even at high volumes. Not just a sound powerhouse, this speaker boasts an IPX7 water resistance rating, making it your ideal companion wherever you go. With the ability to withstand splashes, rain, sand, and dust, it's your go-to choice for settings ranging from the shower room and kitchen to poolside parties, beaches, and outdoor sports activities. Experience audio like never before through the innovative True Wireless dual pairing feature. Seamlessly connect two wireless speakers to achieve captivating surround stereo sound. Whether you're gaming, enjoying music, or watching movies, this technology creates an unparalleled auditory journey. Simply purchase two speakers, synchronize them, and embrace the doubled volume and immersive soundstage. Your entertainment knows no bounds with an impressive 15-hour playtime. The built-in rechargeable battery guarantees up to 15 hours of playtime on a single charge at 70% volume. Plus, the speaker adapts to longer playback periods at lower volumes. The actual playtime varies based on factors like song type and volume, ensuring non-stop enjoyment during your various journeys. Stay seamlessly connected with Bluetooth 5.1 and built-in mic features. Effortlessly pair your devices and relish a steadfast connection that enables you to move freely around the room without interrupting your music. Answer calls conveniently using the built-in microphone, transforming the speaker into your personal, hands-free speakerphone. Elevate your audio encounters with the portable Bluetooth speaker, where advanced sound technology meets resilient design. Enjoy clear, immersive sound, conquer the elements with its waterproof construction, and create your personalized surround sound system. With extended playtime and versatile connectivity, this speaker becomes your ultimate companion for limitless audio adventures. Make one of these yours today. Listen, with the current sale prices so low right now, these 3 amazing products are selling fast. So don't delay. We've included convenient links to each of these products in the video description, and we are unsure of how long the sale will last, so get yours now. Thank you for tuning in, and don't forget to subscribe and set notifications so you can get a first look at all future product spotlights and amazing sale items. Please give that like button a press and share this video with anyone you think might benefit from these products. And remember, stay amazing, and until next time, cheers!